Good evening. Today we are going to see how to install Windows 10 in your PC. So now just we'll open Google Chrome and type there as Windows 10 download. See here we can see download Windows 10 disk image. It's on Microsoft. HTTPS is there. ISO file I am downloading. Just we'll check whether it will support ISO or else directly if it will possible download. So I'll download directly. If possible, I'll download ISO file. So now I got here download tool now. So download tool and here download has been done. Media creation tool. See here we can see downloads. Media creation tool has been appeared and I'll just drag it for desktop. See media creation tool. So we'll open media creation tool. Double click on it. Yes or no? Yes. So getting few things ready. See up we can see Windows 10 setup. See here we can see Windows 10 setup. Okay. Applicable notice license. Okay, I'll accept it. See here we can see Windows 10 setup. What do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now. Create installation media. Next. Upgrade this PC now. And next. Here we can see installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This may take a while. 1% has been completed and it will take some time to complete. See here we can see installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. Your PC will restart in few moments. So just it will take some time. We have to wait patiently. So here we can see restarting. See here we can see HP has been appear. It will take some time. See, installing Windows 0%, don't turn off your PC. This will take a while. Your PC will restart several times. So till now it restarted for 2-3 times. So again it is showing same. It will take some time. You can see just a moment has been appeared, and it is restarting again. So we'll just wait for Windows updating. Right to setup. See, here we can see setup for personal use, and then next. Let's add your account. Create account, offline account. So I am going for offline account. And here we can see sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft apps and service. So here we can see limited experience. Who is going to use this PC? Now we have to give our name. So here I'll give my name, and then next, and here we have to give our password. And next, type your password one last time. We have to give 2 times. And here create security question for this account. So here security questions 3 will be there, and we have to give our 3 question and answers. So what is name of city where you were born? It seems. Choose privacy setting for your device, it seems. So here we have to accept. Let's customize your experience. So we have to select here gaming, school, entertainment, everything. You just select and accept. See, here we can see after completion of question answers, it has just a moment has been appeared. See, here it has been completed, and accept it. Hi, we are getting everything ready for you. within few seconds my Windows 10 will be installed in my laptop. These might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC, okay? Now I am downgrading my Windows 11 into 10. See, Windows 10 has been almost totally installed, and see here we can see this is my Windows 10, and here I downgraded. In my PC it was Windows 11. I just downgraded into Windows 10. So we'll check that Windows 10 is good or how it is. So hope video is somewhat informative. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.